Most welcome in Technology Welfare. In this video tutorial, I will show you how you will generate, how you will create your own hotspot, in Apple device. So see, this is an iPhone here. I would like to create my own hotspot for connection of my PC or laptop. So just I will go in a setting, and here is the option. See guys, this is a here. Just I would like to show you. Just you have to click on, and here you have to set up the password. So it will reflect your green color here. You can generate according to your password of your hotspot that you would like to have. And after creating, just keep on, and then you have to do go for on the Wi-Fi. You have to click here also Wi-Fi, and here your internet connection of your iPhone device. So let you inform one thing more here. This hotspot here, see, I would like to show you guys here. This hotspot, you can connect using the Wi-Fi. You have options. From iPhone to Wi-Fi. Through you can connect your PC or laptop. Second one, directly Bluetooth. You can pair your hotspot to your computer. And third one is when you on your hotspot in your Apple device, so through a data cable, that can be this can be also connect in your PC or laptop through a data cable. So we have a three choice. One is a Bluetooth, first is your Wi-Fi, second is your Bluetooth, and third one is your data cable. Out of one, of course, out of this, one you can have, and you can connect your hotspot, my dear. No problem at all. So this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. Still you're facing any problem to create your own hotspot, then write the comment below the comment box. Leave the query there. I will reply as soon as possible. In course of time, definitely I will reply, my dear. So if this video has been benefited to you in any way, then don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, my dears. This is a thing that will inspire me to make more and more. To make a video for education purpose. So thank you guys.